Hello, my name is Daniel Beaton and I'm principal of Harbourside Elementary School. On behalf of the school community, I would like to thank Brilliant Labs for the grant they provided our school this year. We took advantage of this grant money and provide daily morning announcements using a green screen, professional lighting, and a professional microphone.
Hi, we are students at Harbourside Elementary, and we are here to thank you for helping us by giving us all this money and stuff to help us do our morning announcements.
We wanted to do something a little bit different than typically just going over the PA system and playing the announcements for the students. Found that they weren't as engaged, and we wanted an opportunity to give them a chance to hear about what's going on in the school, hear about upcoming events, and to celebrate everyone around the school in one way or another, whether it be through the birthdays or for interesting facts about what's happening in the community, or just to celebrate some accomplishments that they had, whether it be with basketball or volleyball or events that are happening within Whitney Pier.
We applied to Brilliant Labs to get all of this equipment for the morning announcements.
Students have been really loving it. There's been great success with the student announcements. They have an opportunity to write the script, to be a videographer and learn some skills beyond what they would learn in just the regular classroom. They learn how to edit, and they learn how to use the green screen, the lights, microphones, things that most students have not been exposed to at all.
Doing morning announcements has helped me become more confident and helped me with being better at speaking and listening to other people because it's a very big part of my curriculum. And now that I've done this, I realize that if there's someone else in front of the camera, I have to be quiet. And when I'm talking, I have to be loud so people can hear me.
Learning how to speak loudly and clearly is something that doesn't come naturally to a lot of students. So doing the daily announcements has given them the opportunity to practice using their voice, and also to realize that when students are on set, they need to be quiet and respectful, and to be good listeners.
Brilliant Labs gave us a microphone, iPad stands, iPad holders, lights.
We do morning announcements every day now.
It's pretty amazing to have all this equipment for the morning announcements.
We have a chance to teach students about digital wellness, digital awareness, teaching them about safety and well-being and what to watch for online. It's a way to engage our school community and keep them interested in what's happening within the building and at Harbourside.
One day, the student heard the news music we always start off with, and he came running in because he knew it was his birthday today, and he didn't want to miss it because he never got to see the morning announcements, never. So then he came in and ran, and he sat there until his birthday came on. And then I think he watched until the end, and he said goodbye and left.
My favorite part of watching the morning announcements is seeing people happy on the morning announcements when they are the runner of the month.
The morning announcements are a great way to learn interesting facts and to find out what's going on in the school.
It gives us a chance to learn interesting facts like hippopotamuses have pink milk.
My favorite part of the announcements is the French word of the day, because I get to learn new words in French.
My favorite part of the announcements are the bloopers, because everyone laughs at the people when they make mistakes, and then after that they always fix their mistakes and they learn by that. And everyone loves the bloopers and enjoys them.
Some issues that we had for our project before, for instance, is just today, when I was doing the announcements, I was trying to put the iPad in the holder, and when I was trying to fit it in, it was a chunky iPad with a case. So when I was putting it in, the top part popped out, and there was a piece in it. And so I broke it, and then Miss Cadigan I made Madison go get Miss Cadigan, and then she had to fiddle with it with a pen for all the announcements to fix it. But eventually it was fixed, and it was okay. So that was fun. What we learned from the iPad equipment breaking today is that we have to be really careful with the equipment.
Also, sometimes we prefer not using the microphone. We aren't sure if it's worth it or not all the times. We like the small mic that clips on our shirts.
That was way cheaper than the big microphone. It was a learning moment for us. More expensive doesn't mean better.
My favorite part of the announcements are the lights and the setup. It makes us look professional.
Thank you to Brilliant Labs for providing Harbourside Elementary with this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Brilliant Labs.